What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to repair my windshield because it's really scratched up that I have a hard time seeing it honestly, and when it rains it's just really bad, and I really wanted to fix it. I don't know how. Getting a new glass is just way too expensive, so I figured maybe I could Google something out and see if there's any products that I can use, and I researched, and then I found out that you could use these products called glass polisher, and seems like they sell it at local auto shops or auto retailer or whatever. So I decided to visit 3 O'Reilly stores and 1 AutoZone, and none of them had it. I just drove 2 hours to try to look for it. I could not find it. Anything near even. They didn't even have anything with the glass. So I just didn't know what to do at that point, and so I decided to research it one more time, and I found out that you could use a toothpaste. Well, I have toothpaste, right? Like everybody owns a toothpaste. Supposedly you're supposed to use like the, like the white one, not like the gel one. So luckily I do have this one. This is like, I don't even use this honestly. I haven't even used it for a long time. But it's a toothpaste, and I figure I could use this. So yeah, basically today's video I'm gonna be fixing these scratches with something I have at home, and I spent $0 to attempt to fix my scratches on my windshield. I don't really know what to expect. I honestly don't know what the outcome is gonna be, but it's kind of just like, we just have to do it and see what happens kind of type of deal. But before I go over with the toothpaste, I had some clay at home, so I figured maybe I could, kind of use the clay and water maybe to, get all the big stuff, and then for the finer scratches, maybe I was gonna use toothpaste afterwards to get a finer scratches. I know this process is gonna take a long time maybe, but it's worth a try. It's really hard to see, and I really want to fix it, and I'm gonna go out and drive tonight, so I make sure I want to get that fixed right away. That's kind of it for today's video. Let's just get right in. Okay, so today I have Tristian here. I have no detailing experience, but Tristian has a lot of detailing experience, and he researched a lot, way better than me, so I don't really know how it works, but apparently when you use clay, he told me rather than use water, use detail spray. So we have a detail spray right now, but before we begin, he also has something really cool to mention. So this is the chemical guys. It's a interior cleaner and protectant.
It's
multi-purpose, yeah. So I mean, apparently you can use it for glass, so we're gonna clean the glass with this first, and then we're gonna use the clay, and then buff it out a little bit, and then we're gonna move on to the real deal, the toothpaste. So yeah, all right, let's get right in. Before we begin, I want you guys to see how bad this is. Can you guys tell? How do you focus this? Alright, there you go. You guys see how bad this is? Like, you could barely see anything, right? So at night, the light just flares out, and it's really hard to see. I can't tell where the lanes are, and when it rains, it just like the water just doesn't cut really nicely. So it's a really awful situation. It's really scratched up. So hopefully this can change after whatever we're doing right now. So
like before you clay too, just using a regular glass cleaner will actually help you see how bad, especially if it's like on the exterior too, like where you see all these water spots, like this can be buffed out. It looks like, is it on the inside or the outside?
it's the outside. Yeah.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So it's like, I think it's from the wiper, but like, I guess, I don't think, so I bought it from my old person, bought it brand new. I don't think they never changed anything after the services. So yeah, that's changed though. I bought it like 2 years. I mean, this is kind of wearing out already, so I'm probably gonna buy a new one. But yeah, just like the scratch is just insane, like from the angle and stuff. So
Yeah, you can kind of see like right.
yeah. Tristian is going to try with the clay right now, and he's gonna exam from that point. But yeah, as you can see, we like cleaned it. Still kind of see like, it's really hard to see on camera, but I don't know if you guys can see, but there's lines everywhere. So we're gonna try to get rid of that. And if clay doesn't work, it's gonna be toothpaste.
Okay, so crash course for clay. You never want to have dry clay on glass or paint because you are going to introduce new scratches. Learn that from the video. And so essentially what you want to start with is you just want to give the glass a good old spray. And then also your clay bar. And then what you're going to want to do is, you don't want to add too much pressure, but you want to add enough pressure so that there's some kind of friction, and what the clay will, like that. And what the clay will do, right now it's picking up, right now it's just trying to pick up all those small little like impurities in the glass, and hopefully that pulls out the scratches. And already too, like, sometimes you can, well, at least with paint, you can hear like the roughness of it. And so like when you put your hand up to like the glass, like you can feel like there's a little bit of a difference. Like it's
Right.
it's not much more smoother, but it's like,
Ooh. Oh, wait, I could already tell like the difference, kind of. It's definitely really rough over there.
yeah. But so I think to get this might need toothpaste, but I would like sample like a corner here first before we introduce it.
Okay.
Because at least if it's in this spot, then we know it's not gonna like
Right.
ruin the entire front windshield.
All right. Well, we're gonna skip this part. Okay, so Tristian just did an amazing job on the windshield, but there's scratch still there. So we are gonna move on to the real experiment, is that we're gonna use a toothpaste. I read online to use a wet cloth and then toothpaste, like just small bit, and then you just kind of rub it in circular motion. But he just told me you shouldn't do circular motion, so I'm not too sure what we should do. But we're gonna experiment like circular motion and then sideways and see which one is better and which one's not okay. But yeah, we're about to find out. So we're gonna mask it, and then we're gonna do like a before and after, and then we'll decide whether we're gonna continue it, do the rest with the toothpaste. All right, let's get right in.
Fiber cloth. We're gonna add like a dot or so of toothpaste, and then basically we're going to recreate what a buffer would do, and essentially we're just gonna like rub it in circular motions, and we'll see if we can at least take off the water spots first.
So Tristan just buffed out this spot, and it actually worked. It didn't buff out a lot, but it's still really good. Like I think if you repeat this process like a couple of times, like I think it's actually working. Yeah, so he's gonna try to do like the bigger box and see if what we just did was actually, you know, proven that it works. Alright, so it didn't work. I do not recommend using toothpaste. I think we did great for whatever we did for like this past hour and a half buffing it. I think that it was nice because we got caught up and we learned that toothpaste is no-go for something like that. It actually looks worse. So I might try source an actual glass polisher and try do it right this time. But if anybody is thinking about doing this, I would recommend to take it to the shop or ask somebody who has a buffer, right? And then make them do it. But that's it. That's it for today's video. I know it was a fail, but I think it was fun. I had a lot of fun doing this. So yeah, if this is something you want to try, I mean, it did make a little bit better, but it looks worse, if that makes sense. I don't know. But if you want to try it, it's definitely worth a try. But I would not recommend it. So take this as your lesson. If you're thinking of doing this, don't do it. That's it. Peace out. Oh wait, follow all my social media. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys thought this was a fail from the beginning of the video, please give it a thumbs up. This is a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out.